She was like, mommy, you should go natural. I was like, girl, no, I ain't going natural. Hello, gorgeous. Welcome to the channel. It's your girl, Tamika. I'm gonna just breathe right now. So, natural hair community, are you still out there? Because your girl has been relaxed for about the past I don't know. I'm just having that moment where I just want to go back natural. I'm gonna go in the bathroom so that way I can have a little bit more lighting. But your girl is fixing to take this out. I am over the relaxed hair thing. It was fun, it was cute while it lasted, but now, girl, I'm just ready to take this out. You know, it's just a whole lot. You know me, you'll know that cutting my hair is nothing new. You know, I've big chopped how many times when I was natural? 3 times, from 2017 all the way up to, what was it, it was like a little after the pandemic is when I went relaxed. So 2021, 22. So it's only been about maybe 2 years, and I've cut my hair at least twice while relaxed. So did something go down the tunnel? Okay. At the top, like how you'll see my hair when I go in. Okay, let me just start cutting. Okay. Not only all of my hair, dye my hair because my hair is not naturally black. So this is all, let me pick my hair out. So let me show you the back. I had the nerve to buy this. All right, so let me comb this out so that way you can see. So you see how short my hair is right here compared to the rest of my hair. And I've done, you can see it better from the side. And I've done treatments, I've done all kind of stuff, right? Everything, I've even cut it all off just to even it right here, and this still grows longer than the front. So beginning phase, it's going to be sort of like in a mohawk, but I need my sides to catch up with the rest of my hair because I want my whole head to be full and voluptuous. I want volume. So I don't know if I want a taper cut is what I'm trying to say. As natural, I don't know if I want that. I'm just gonna chop it off. All right, so now, like, girl, I need to just chop it all off and just make it even. So let's get the chopping. Ow! 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 All right, so, look. So this is what my hair looks like right now. It needs to be washed. I am fully natural. I kept the new growth because I did not want it to be extremely short. Yeah, I wasn't doing that. And I've done that before. I have a clip for you. Now that your girl is natural. All right, so now what we're gonna do is dye the hair. Can you see, girl? We're gonna dye the hair, okay? So this is the shampoo and this one is the conditioner. So this one is new by Cantu with flaxseed oil and shea butter. It removes heavy buildup, leaving curls soft, and it's sulfate free. Got this from the beauty supply store. Got this out of Winn-Dixie, which is a mane tamer, which is a hydrate, detangler, and control frizz, which has coconut oil, quinoa protein, rice water, vitamin A and B5, 100% vegan. So this is like a hydrator because she has her hair in braids and she's transitioning. So I got this from Winn-Dixie. I already had this. And then I got the Extreme Gel. I do have Eco Style Gel. Right now it's in her room. But I'm going to use this gel because like thick gels like this, tacky type gels, makes my curls pop. And for those who do not know, I am a 3C in the back. My curl pattern is very loose from here down. And then in the middle is like from here all the way up is literally about a 4C. So it's 4B, 4C, 3C. I'm gonna read directions because we already know what this process is. So we're gonna let this sit on here for about 15 minutes. Okay, it looks like it's all black. All right, I got it all around my ears. Back is already doing on this transition. Let me get my plastic bag and I'll be right. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. I already did my makeup. Okay, so now we're gonna get the doing with the hair. All right, so what time is it? It's 6:20. All right, 6:20. All right, so first I'm going to use this mane tamer. All right, so this is a leave-in conditioner. I did not wash my hair this morning. I did not see a purpose in doing that because, girl, and I'm looking at my mirror down here. I did not see a purpose in washing my hair. So after I had washed my hair last night, all I did was use this. So get the curls moving, get the curls moving. All right. London was so happy that I did my hair like this, and I felt like it was only right since I made her do, you know, get a relaxer. So just start over with her. All right, so next I'm going to be using the Extreme Gel, like tacky gel like this. Makes my curls pop. So will this cause flakes? I don't know. But for right now, because my hair is like really, really short, I'm just going to use gel. There's no need to like get any creams. I don't need all of that. I really don't, to be honest. It is not that serious right now, all right? So my curls are popping a little. Some strands you'll see are like relaxed, like that little strand right there. If you see little strands, all you gotta do is clip them off. You know, that's all you gotta do. They're gonna keep popping up, so I'll get the sponge in about maybe, well, I'll just go ahead and buy it so I can have it. I think I have another sponge. It might be in my little box in the closet, but I don't know. So, and I'm just moving my fingers around. And then I'm gonna just let it air dry. All right. And pretty much it. Really, that is it. You know, you still see some strands, but I'm okay with that sticking up some. I'm okay with that. It's not that bad. Just kind of like tame the edges. Like any type of edge control is like your hair will turn white. So be careful if you are a newbie. Okay, so be careful. You want to test your products on your hand if you're mixing creams and gels. And if you see that it's clumpy, then you know it's not going to work. That clumpiness pretty much reveals like these two products do not mix well, and it is going to be clumpy on your hair, and you're going to get those little beads. So that's just a little tip for my newbies who are natural. All right, so, and that's all I did was just brush it back because it was like, all right, and then just brush it so it doesn't look like I just rolled out of bed, you know. Shine and jam. This is what I use when I do like my box braids and stuff. So for right now, these two, and that's it. That's all I'm pretty much doing to my hair. I do need to put a little bit of oil in it, but I'm not going to put any oil in it right now. I still feel like that's doing just a little too much. So I'm not going to add any oils to it. Matter of fact, I kind of want it to be a little hard and crunchy because it's so short. So yeah, but this is the look. All right, so I could not stop smiling. Like literally, I could not stop smiling this morning. Oh my gosh. This is like so exciting to me. So excited. New beginnings. Honey, there's life after. Trust me, there's life after. And I just feel good. No, you don't always have to cut your hair, but this is like a little bond thing between London and I, since I went relaxed first, and then I talked her into getting a relaxer. So she wanted to go back natural, and she's been transitioning since December. So she was like, "Mommy, you should go natural." And I was like, "Girl, no, I ain't going natural." Like, I done grew my hair out in how I wanted, you know, my mohawk. So, you know, so now I'm doing this with her. So this is house all over again. Yep. So thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you turn on your bell notifications and subscribe to the channel. So for more videos about hair, because I will be doing more natural hair videos, of course. I mean, why not? Along with my weight loss with the Wegovy. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I appreciate you all. Goodbye, gorgeous. I'm a new girl. I'm a new girl. She looking good. Yes. Yes.